We'll guide you through how to understand what Streamlabs is and how you can make the most of it for your streaming needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website on your desktop. Streamlabs is a powerful tool that helps streamers enhance their broadcasts on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. It's packed with features like customizable alerts, overlays, and widgets that can make your streams more engaging. Once you're on the website, click on the download button to get the Streamlabs desktop app. After downloading, install it on your computer and open the application. You'll be prompted to log in with your streaming platform account, like Twitch or YouTube, which allows Streamlabs to integrate directly with your channel. This integration lets Streamlabs access your stream data and helps you manage your stream more efficiently. Now, one of the key features of Streamlabs is its extensive library of overlays and themes. You can browse through these by Search Themes on Settings tab in the app. There's a wide variety of free and premium themes that you can apply to your stream to make it look professional and unique. Another important feature is the alert box, which is crucial for engaging with your audience. You can customize alerts for new followers, subscribers, donations, and more by navigating to the alert box section in the settings menu. Streamlabs also offers a CloudBot, which is a chatbot that helps you manage your chat by moderating, adding commands, and even running giveaways. You can enable CloudBot by going to the CloudBot tab and turning it on. Additionally, Streamlabs has a built-in recording and streaming feature, so you can start broadcasting by setting up your stream settings in the Settings menu under the Stream tab. Make sure to select your streaming platform and configure your output settings to match your internet speed and computer capabilities. With these tools, Streamlabs makes it easier for you to create a high-quality, interactive streaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.